Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen. This is Jen's Happy Home. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that I can update you every time I have a new and fun video to share. Also hit that bell notification somewhere up top so that you absolutely will be notified when I share a video. I am so excited today. This took so long to come in. I ordered a box from Once Upon a Book Club. This is the Halloween box. So of course this is the one I ordered because I'm obsessed with Halloween, and it took so long. I ordered this, I think they announced it back in August, and I immediately ordered it. I am a little bit disappointed that it took so long because it's only a week now until Halloween, and that doesn't give me much time to read the book that is in this box, but I'm gonna try really hard, and I'm really anxious to open it up and show you guys everything that's inside. This video is not sponsored. I did pay for this with my own money, but Once Upon a Book Club is a monthly subscription box that you can receive in the mail, and it's so much fun because it's interactive. Basically, you get a book and you also get some presents that coincide with the story. So when you get to a certain page number, it'll tell you what gift to open up. And I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, and I'm anxious to open it up and see what is inside. So let's open this box up and see what goodies I have. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to open the gifts yet because, you know, I have to wait till I get to the page or whatever. But here we go. I'm going to open it. And look at this. You guys are actually seeing it before I am. How is it? Is it cool? Is it nice? Is it good stuff? Okay, let's see. This is a book that I really wanted to read, actually. How many pages are in it? Could I possibly do it in a week? 329 pages. Not bad. I think I might be able to do this. Okay, so inside the book are these little tabs. Let me see if I can find one, where it says open your gift, and then you open the coinciding gifts that go with it. I will probably, if you guys are interested, do another video and show you guys what the gifts actually are, because I don't want to ruin it for myself. I actually want to have the full experience of reading the story and opening the appropriate gifts that coincide with it. So hopefully I'll be able to share that with you in a later video. So let's see what this book is about. Everyone knows about Ashburn House. They whisper that its old owner went mad and restless ghosts still walk the halls. But when Adrian, desperate and in need of a place to stay, inherits the crumbling old mansion, she only sees it as a lifeline until darkness falls. This kind of sounds a lot like a book I just read called After Dark, or Home After Dark, by Riley Sager. Amazing story. So I just love the vibe with the old haunted houses, especially this time of year. Strange messages are etched into the walls. Furniture moves when she leaves the room, and a grave hidden in the depths of the forest hints at a terrible, unforgivable secret. Something twisted lives in her house. Its hungry eyes watch over her. Chasing the threads of decades-old mystery, it isn't long before she realizes she's become prey to something deeply unnatural and intensely resentful. She has no idea how to escape. She has no idea how to survive. Only one thing is certain: Ashburn's dead are not at rest. Great Halloween book. I really want to get into this book now. And then here are the gift boxes. This one's cool. It has all creepy spider webs on it. And then you can see how it has every page number written on it, and it's nicely packaged. This one feels really heavy. I have no idea. I'm so anxious to see. Oh, this is only page 14, so I can probably get to this one pretty quickly. And then, okay, this is the gift for page 329, and it actually feels like a book. I totally think it's a book, and that would be pretty cool if I had a book as a gift. Gift page 253, and again, everything is just packaged so nicely, and it's really cool. I'm really excited for this. Currently, I'm reading Practical Magic by Alice Hoffman, so I'm gonna have to speed up my reading on that so I can get to this book, or I might just have to put that one aside and read this book because I want to open up all of these gifts. This is so much fun. Obviously, I waited for the Halloween box to try out this company because I love Halloween and I just wanted to have something fun for the month of October, and this is exactly what I wanted to do. And these gifts are so adorable. I'm so anxious to see what everything is. All right, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm anxious to read the book and get back to you with everything that I received as gifts to coincide with it. I'll leave a link to Once Upon a Book Club below, and I will also do some research and try to remember what I paid for this box, and I'll leave that below as well. But this was a one-time purchase. You can do one-time purchases where you just buy a gift for someone or one of their holiday boxes, so that's lots of fun. You don't have to sign up to get this every single month, but depending on how this goes, it might be something that I put on my Christmas list this year because it just seems like so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are all having a great October and getting excited for Halloween. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment below and let me know what spooky books you have been reading this month, and let me know also if you have ever read the book that is in this box. I would really love to know if you enjoyed it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.